Keto diet before and after pictures that'll get you motivated, the healthy. If you're looking for dieting inspiration, it's hard to beat keto diet before and after pictures. These people show how amazing the popular ultra-low-carb, high-fat diet trend can be. Read their stories, get their advice, and take in their impressive photos. I've never felt so good. Seeking a drastic change, he turned to the keto diet to reshape his body and his future. Vega dropped 75 pounds in just 6 months. Today, he's 35 pounds away from his goal of 185, and he's enjoying every delicious moment of it. Fruit has become his favorite cheat meal, Vega says, but he's quick to note that the diet is not nearly as restrictive as people fear. No memberships or big expense, just food. When I stumbled upon keto, I was so impressed with the results people were getting. I was excited because it was a concept I hadn't tried before, says the 33-year-old behind the popular @KetoKarma's Instagram account. Within the first year of her keto experience, the San Francisco Bay Area mom, author, and blogger lost 100 pounds. We have an insider's account on what it's really like to follow the ketogenic diet to answer questions and help you ease into the lifestyle change. Courtesy Chase Buller. Chase Buller lost 75 pounds in his first 8 months on the keto diet. You do not know what great feels like until you try this lifestyle change, he says. You will wake up buzzing with energy, and you will feel incredible. Any diet that lets me eat cheese is fine by me. Keto was like nothing I had ever heard of before and went against everything I had ever been taught, the 25-year-old Missouri chef says. If there is a non-keto meal I miss, I have been able to adapt it to be keto-friendly fairly easily, even holiday dinners. The keto Instagram community is so supportive. The best part of the keto diet is the delicious food I get to eat while still managing to lose weight, she says. When she first started her keto journey, Smith knew the food was delicious, but she didn't realize the best part of the diet would come from people she'd never met. The best part of the keto diet is the delicious food I get to eat while still managing to lose weight, says Smith, who has lost 60 pounds in just over a year. After so many people helped her begin her keto journey, Smith says she now wants to help others. I weigh the same as I did in my final year of grade school. I've been overweight my entire life, says Harvey Mayo, a 42-year-old sales manager in Colchester, Vermont. I'm hoping that my story will inspire others to make healthy lifestyle changes and let people know that it's never too late to do it. Indeed, Mayo started his keto journey almost 2 years ago and dropped 185 pounds in under 18 months. I've been overweight my entire life, he says. In addition to enjoying the many keto foods he finds so delicious, Mayo also started moving. I promise you it wasn't just the food. Get active, says Mayo. Keto was a miracle diet for me. In her first year on the keto diet, 33-year-old Joanna Wilcox lost 60 pounds. The best part is eating high-fat foods like bacon without any guilt, she says. Wilcox, who runs @Keto in Canada, has lost lots of weight but gained almost 86,000 followers, plus loads of confidence and perspective. Wilcox encourages people curious about the keto diet to set their minds to it and give it their best for 3 months. It's not always going to be easy, but it is 100% worth it. In the summer of 2017, a friend reached out to me and asked me if I'd ever heard of the keto diet, the 30-year-old development and marketing coordinator from Winnipeg, Canada says. In fact, a 2018 study by the Cleveland Clinic and the American Association of Clinical Endocrinologists clinical case reports showed that a keto diet could help restore infertility in women with PCOS. In the summer of 2017, a friend reached out to me and asked me if I'd ever heard of the keto diet. If you need motivation, these success stories will give you the motivation you need to get started on your weight loss journey. I had a vision of being heavier if I didn't do something soon. Baker discovered the keto diet and learned its ins and outs through YouTube videos and other keto experts' advice. He dropped 10 pounds in 1 month and another 40 in just 5 months. It's really funny that no one ever tells you, "Hey, are you gaining weight? How is your diet?" Baker says. It's really funny that no one ever tells you, "Hey, are you gaining weight? How is your diet?" Take in these weight loss before and after photos for the motivation you need to get started. Keto is simple with a focus on real, high-quality food. A few internet searches for keto diet before and after pictures later, the 40-year-old Hermosa Beach, California author was turned on to keto. Turns out that the healthy fats on keto kept me satiated, and I didn't have those hangry feelings anymore, she says. When Fish says she needs support or encouragement, she turns to Instagram, where she posts as @KetoAntiCity with almost 85,000 followers. I was fed up with being lethargic and bloated all the time. This diet is as hard or as easy as you choose to make it. I cook very simply with keto, mostly just a protein with a vegetable, she says. Keto makes me feel far less bloated, have fewer digestive issues, and improves my endurance at the gym, she says.